Can you hear me? Okay. Yeah, this works. So second. Let's get this started. So, this objective is just keep working on the on what just keep on from what we were doing last week. And the first thing we're gonna do, check what we have last week. So appear here in the center. Yeah. Add this to here. Okay. Yeah, and we also made some walls around it, but how do I put it? I needed to, yeah. So current objective, first of all, trying to modify the health. Oh, with the help. So, like modify the AI so that the shields respawn after hitting certain HP thresholds, and also so that the boss, so that some, to put some invincible shields around the boss while the shields are respawning. Yeah, that's what we wanna do today. So let's see. Oh, can you hear me okay? Let's see how this goes. Stage 1. Where the prep? Oh no, the prep is over here. So temporary shield. Yeah. And I also wanted to get this. Alright. Yeah, it's going to be animations for a good chunk of today. For the first part of today. So let's get to Visual Studio. We need okay. Yes. Visual Studio just crashed. What? One second then. Here. So, got a health handler here. Alright. So we wanna basically first of yeah, what's the actually I want you to also around here. There's spike. Did I not open the script? Spike, okay. So, okay. First of the day is I want a function for making the shields respond, which was so if we go to the prefab, we just have the star shield prefabbing here. What's the difference? Okay, let's swap to Unity for a second. Yeah. So. Decisions. So. Basically, first of the day is trying to is understanding why how do I put it? Checking out what's different between this prefab and between the star shield prefab and the actual star shield I implemented in the spiky prefab to make sure how do I put it? To know exactly what I changed and how I should place things. Basically, what should I change when I instantiate this prefab? Yeah, exactly. So, though I think consider like the vertical spikes prefab was completely different, so I could just am I using this prefab anywhere else? Vertex spikes. Let me check 1 second in Visual Studio whether actually it's Control F and star shield, copy name. Okay, star shield not found. Okay, we can just modify the original prefab. So this goes to 05, 21, 600, 600. And is there any other thing that is different between this two? Alright, everything looks okay. So, back to Visual Studio. First function of the create shield ring. So actually, how do you instantiate an empty object in Unity? Let me check the reference for a second. New game object. Okay, so instantiate unity. Yeah, like it looks like look at the reference. It looks like I should use that. Yeah, like this way would be to create a ring prefab. Just go from there. But you know, it's probably gonna be less of a headache. Or not? The thing is, like, we don't even need the. Let's up to Unity even. We don't check out the prefabs. So we don't really need even. We don't even need the. How do I put it? The ring prefab here. Like, we could just parent this to the original body and it'd be alright. So if we basically okay, just for a second, we added them to the library. Speccy, temporary shell, star shell. Okay, yeah, this is alright. So let's check out the spec once again. Okay, yeah, like the ring here was mostly to make it easy to handle. Like being able to. So, actually renamed it to Star Shield Ring. So, let's get this. Okay, parameters. Int number of shields. Shields, not shillets. No not shillet. And what's the other? Number. Okay, what else do I have to add? Should I add skull maybe? Rotation speed for shit. Speed. Okay, this is another one down. And what else? Yeah, let's just add actually back to the ray. Okay. For int equals 0. I'm a weapon. Number of shields. Yeah. Papers plus. For lockdown. So let's start with a instance. Actually, game object. object star shield equals instantiate. Okay, yeah, instantiate star shield. All right. Object. No, not that one. That one. Actually, I should check. I probably should. So do we instantiate it like this or what? An object reference. Oh yeah. Oh, let me check one thing with the mic. 1 second. Okay. Alright, so what is this? What's this complaining about? Oh yeah, like, I forgot. Have library stand get perfect. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing here. So, here we go. Let me check instantiate reference again. You know, if I want to set the position one is okay. Vector 3.0 0 excuse me, and totally, and that will be assigned to a new object. This position. Does this set the position in wall space or in what do I put it? Or in local space? Actually, let's test something. Yeah, well, in any case, the boss is going to stay in the center the whole time, so no, I guess I don't have to worry about that. Yeah. And finally, quaternion. Oh, give me a second. Let's indent this so it looks a bit better. Well, not better, but easier to read. Quaternion dot Euler angles. Yeah, Euler. Go 0. Stay 0. So actually, let's add in here number of share, rotation speed, scale. Load art size. But we're not. Nah, we can just go with raw circles. Like, no need to worry about going with whether we are going to spawn circles in an arc or not. Like, at least for this loss. Yeah, that's gonna be a waste of time. So, closed. Between not cloud. Between fields. No. Offset square shield equals 460 divided by number of shields. Okay, we done that. And here we go. Offset the shield, multiply it by it. Okay, this. Alright, so after that we got the star shield, that is star shield dot the component. What was the name? One second here. Unity movement orbit no rigid body. Whatever I have this. Yeah. Set the speed, set orbit target. Yeah, I got it. So we got this. Yeah. Movement orbit. Yeah. Ain't it hard to type? Okay, so type it into a variable. Script equals star shield component movement orbit negative. Oh, there's something I'm a bit worried about, which is movement orbit not rigid body. Yeah, and the start is only the local time manager, nothing we have to bother with. So basically I was worried about whether I was doing something in the start that okay, so right now I'm going to set the speed and orbit target of that script, and I was wondering whether why is this I was wondering whether I was doing anything inside the start that would modify those two after I set them here in the script. So let's keep going. Yeah, let's script the set orbit target game object. Set it to yourself. Okay, and then set speed, rotation, speed. Here we go. So, okay, we got this. Oh yeah. No. Parachute. Dot transform dot local scale equals scale. Okay. Equals vector 3 1. Like a compile time constant issue. Okay. So, like, I feel like I could just remove it. I'm going to remove it, and if I need it later, I'll just re-add it. As of right now, it's just a headache. Like, if like I could just create another function with one parameter less that calls this function with the scale on one, but yeah, pain in the ass. Not gonna even bother with it. No, it isn't anything big enough that to make it worth future proofing. Like, it's gonna be easy even if I. So next one. Where do we go from here? Because I'm not sure. Well, yeah, I know where. So, where to start? Create a start. Wait. Create star shield ring with 6, 45. Alright, 190. Okay. It was those two, yeah. 45 and 90, yeah. Now we're gonna go back to the prefab. Spiky here, yeah. Spiky, yeah, I already added it. So, well, I didn't show it, but I've already disabled the ring. So, let's get going. Do the shield spawn like the show. Yeah. All working properly. Give me a second. Two. Oh, match. Right. Yeah, this is very slow, but it gives a good time to maybe kill 1 or 2 of the stars while this is starting. Yeah. So, alright. Let's keep going then. So we have a star shield. How big was this? Like point. Yeah. And if you wanted to move this, you went like 0.8. Yeah. Done. Like, how bad was this for the game? Ooh, not that bad. As long as you don't get in the straight up into the corner, it's alright. So you just have to wait a bit. Like, oh no. Wait for a moment. We need to wait a bit. Yeah. So starting with six of one might be a bit. Yeah, it might be too much to be for this. So okay, 1, 2. Yeah. I'm gonna try again, but we're gonna start with 0.8 probably, or at least 0.9. Like, just yeah, you can do it, but I feel like it's not that fun worrying about whether you're gonna hit it or not without when that's not your intention. So let me check one last thing I want to. So it's here. Okay, if you just go into the corner, no collision with the. I made the collider just small enough for it, so that doesn't happen. Jamie. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay, let's not have to check it every time. So, let's go back. Here we go. Okay. So it's like, why did I take a hit before? Like, what's the start? Because yeah, like Yeah. It can happen that it is. So let's go back to spiking. Let's get that body. Let's edit the collider so that it is 2.2. Just a bit smaller, but yeah, not having to worry about hitting us when there's nothing there. I feel like it's gonna be better like that. So one, try to just hit the wall. Try to see if you can clip hard enough so that the boss doesn't. Alright. Yeah, one time. Yeah, I think like this you can feel it like this. So also one thing I'm gonna do is the bound position a bit further to the center. So let's get here. Second, no, here, 0. Alright, so back to the this is working well. So now what we need to do is how do I put it? So yeah, next part is adding the shield that blocks shots. But before, I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be back right in a second. Alright, let's get back to this. So the next part is what's the top the ship. So let's get to Unity Shin and okay, to begin with we can remove this from here. The question now is how do we set up the shell? Because oh well, I already have one here. Let's go. Did they put the arrow around here anywhere? No, it's like the temporary shell. I guess I probably want let's check out what happens if I set this to 1, 1, 1. Oh yeah, it looked a bit worse. That was why I had it at the size. So undo. Let's go by here. Here we go. Alright. So back to this. I'm worried. Basically, I'm thinking right now about how. So I'm thinking, let's start at the center. Start. We put it there, here, and then once we don't require the shell, when the time limit ends, we send them flying outwards as another attack against the player. But yeah, I'm wondering how to do that. What would be a good way to do this kind of stuff? And actually, I need to check this also. Does the size of point take overlap to her? No. And actually 0.7, 0.7, 0.7. Yeah. It's well. So what was the script words in this Starshield? The from precab, no, movement orbit, no rigid body, no, this one isn't. Movement line in a direction, no rigid body. Yeah. That's what we are looking for. So how do we handle this? Okay. Yeah, like we got the shield, but maybe we want the arrows instead. Yeah, I'm just thinking right now, where do we part from? Do we try to instantiate the shield and then modify each of the arrows and then modify each one of the arrows, or do we try to go for the arrows and instantiate them in a way that they replicate? Well, that was a whiplash mission with the music, yeah. Big. Preparation. This is just the same, isn't it? No differences. Got this. Oh, like this. But what does this button do? I never used it. Like, I get visible button. Is it that you can move it or no? No, what is it then? So what happened if I? Oh, I'll search that what it does off stream. Like it shouldn't be messing up with that right now. So yeah, I think it's might as well instantiate the shield. Like then we go down here, -3. Alright, so right. Okay. Let me check the reference. Check and let me check what was the function for getting every single child. Okay, get child, get sibling, get child. Unity, power, child, children. Yeah, children. That was the word. Children, that's sibling. What is it? I probably can just move to Visual Studio and control space it. So game object dot transform dot get okay, so you can do it by an index and you got get child count, so you can just yeah, I thought you could just do like get components and get an array with all of them. So let's get going. Child. Yes, it'd be like this. Okay, so let's begin creating the function void. Create temporary shield. Yeah, the number is going to be always the same. Yeah, like I don't think we need any parameters for this. Just like this is one where we are gonna use it. Let's get yeah, right. I like that. So give me a second to drink some water. Okay, so back to here, put the scale. So let's get here. Temporary shield. Add 0, game object start dot transform. Put a new layer. Put new dot identity. And here we have the name of the prefab, which was Spike Temporary Shield. Okay, so here we go. and we remove this. And what we have to do is we need to check some stuff in Unity. So we should set these ones to 0. Yeah, we should. If I'm going to have to. Oh, that's gonna be a pain. Me no like it. Like, is this? Yeah, this is already set. Oh no, wait. This is already set. Yay! I can just do this. Nice. Very nice. So we have set it. Yeah. So we're also going to add in here the. Okay, what's the name of the? What is it? No. Here. Copy component, shield arrow, and this component as new. We're gonna have 0, yeah. This one looks so. Okay, speed of 1, speed of 3. Okay, all works well. So. Oh yes. Give me 1 second. Okay. So now that we're here, we'll go this and yeah, temporary. We need to add here temporary shield dot transform dot local scale equals vector 3.1 multiplied by the scale. I need to mess up a bit with an uneven scale just to see what happens. Shouldn't be just somehow. So here we go. For the shield, 0.8 float, and done. Let's keep going. Actually, remove this. Yeah, so now we have this here, alright. And it just should set up in here, so like, okay. Ooh, yep, I got it backwards. Give me a second. Minus. Alright. What's up to you? Okay, 0.5. 6. Alright. And here in Visual Studio, what we're gonna do is. Okay, first turn this into an enumerator. Back to Visual Studio. Enumerator. Oh no, okay, no. Windows Photography and enumerator. Temporary shield for the scale. That's one too many. Here. The temporary shield. Yeah, yield return no. Okay, we got this in here. Why is this? Oh, okay. Yeah, this. And here we have Start to routine. Get temporary shield. Routine. Good. Alright. And add one more parenthesis because we need it. Got it done. So next. Yeah, so I want to add load delay. Actually, starting delay. Yeah, starting delay here, and we are editing here, and we are editing here, and we just do what was then per second. Here, return new, wait per second, starting delay. Alright, and temporary shell, we are going to do a 0.5. Load, like. Alright. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Alright. So 0.8 is just a little, yeah. Scale is gonna be 0.9. Let's try it like this. Alright. 9. Yeah, 0.9 is like just right. Okay, so interesting. So if I want to instantiate it, yeah, if I want to do it by one, it's going to be a problem. Alright, change your plans. So basically, what? Actually, 1 second. Yeah. So basically, right now all the bullets are spawning at the same time, and yeah, it's just like circle impulse, and I want it to go like spiral type. And in order to do that, going straight up with the shield doesn't really work. So then we can remove this, and here we can go and move some spec temporary shield, then a spec temporary shield arrow. So the shield is like, yeah, -5, and the arrow, we don't have really a difference I can consider. Yeah. So back to the shield. What do you have? You have nothing. You have the manager and the moving direction and the colliders. And you have nothing. You have the manager direction and the colliders. All right. So we can just go in here. Give me a second. Visual Studio. So how do we handle this properly? So we got the temporary shield. Temporary shield. What we can be window swapping this to temporary shield arrow. Yeah. So we need the number of shields. Of arrows. Okay. So print number number of arrows. Alright, we're editing here, and we're editing here, and we're editing here, yeah. So, next one. Alright, so we got this, we got the number of arrows. Okay, now for imply was 0, I less than, we're basically doing the same as with the special ring. Number of arrows, I++, parentheses, okay, alright. Hopefully we've got things mixed up a little bit. Alright, we got this thing. So next thing to do. We've got the other. So what's the next thing to do? So okay. So now that we have the temporary shield, okay, get this, and these two shield arrow. Alright, like this here. Shield arrow. We're going to add here. Wait for a second. Yeah, float, delay between arrows. Alright. Then we're gonna place this in here, and what else then? Alright, so we got this on local scale. We're not moving. We're gonna remove this. In fact, we can remove this because I feel like with the arrows we really don't want to make it them neither bigger nor smaller, because how do I put it, if they're going to be a lot harder to dodge, basically. Why? Oh, standing delay. Yeah, delay between arrows is the one. Nope, delay between arrows. So delay between arrows is going to be 0.1 float, yeah. So remove this. We are going to have, no, this is the one we have to remove, and we are going to have 36 arrows here. Alright, to me 36 arrows in the shell. Okay, you're going to have quaternion dot Euler offset per shield. What do they have offset per shield? Yeah, this is the, so this number of arrows per arrow, and over there set per arrow. Okay, we got this here. So, number of the offset is done. Alright, number of arrows. So, okay, so now the different part, which is going to see shared arrow dot. Actually, start. Yeah, I think consider orbit. I'm going to rename this to with movement, because just in case we later have to modify the the straight line movement, like we're gonna have to move in here. So we have spiky temporary shield arrow, yes. Dot get his only shot. Dot transform. Dot find. Alright. We're gonna call it fireworks arrow, yeah. Fireworks arrow, yeah. And then we're going to here. That no. Get component here. Movement line in a direction, rigid body, and that's set. Speed. Going to align 6, and here set time limit 25 float. Alright, and we are going to move this into a different coroutine so that we can add a bit of basically keep them moving after a few seconds. Basically, so that we can create them, make them move, and a few moments later, reset the time limit so that it hits. Okay, so that it starts moving again as the attack. But the things are right now. Let's check out in Unity if everything's working properly. Right? Get here, and let's get going. Point 1 is good, but it's taken a bit too much to. What if we have it? Okay, actually, let's start turning this into variables. Actually, no, because that. Yeah, no, don't turn this into variables. Okay. Because if we turn it into like different rings might be a bit too much. Okay. Good, but still not. Okay, divided by 2, divide this. And we're gonna do yes 180, and we're going to repeat this and this here. Okay. Oh, compiler error. Oh, plus I. Okay. Back to Unity. Might do this up to 6 times. That is right. Okay. Though just 2 looks absolutely great, and I really like it. Yeah, this is right. I really like it. Okay, let's check out what's it. 3, 2. Wait, 2. Here we go. So remove this. This divided by 6, and this is 60. Here 120, 180, 40, and 300. Alright, and let's check it out. Yeah. I feel like, yeah, I'm not feeling it. See, it's too short for this. So, because maybe we do this like. Yeah, now let's go. Let's take a shot at 4. So 90, 70, and this divided by 4. But I think it's going to be 2. Like, to just flow. I feel like it flows pretty well. Like, 4 also kind of works, but I'm not so sure. It's yeah, it's just the amount of time it takes is too short, let's say. So back to let me check through again once more. We're gonna do it like this, right? Yeah, like it's just I feel like it taking a bit more of time just feels a lot better. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna take a quick break and I'll be back soon. Then we shall continue with all of this. Yeah. So let's get back to work. Alright. So where do we go from here? Yeah, I wanted to make this into a routine. So in a editor, create temporary shift routine, create a temporary shift arrow. What did I press that is? Alright. So we just go here. Copy one of these. I just return now. Here. Alright, we need super arrow. Block. Yeah, it is a block. Nah, well, yeah, no, it has to be a block. Float. Actually, no. We're going to go with rotation. Okay. Is there a good calculation of sides? No need to do an extra parameter for that. And that is all, I think. So we use the back routine. Here was comparison routine. Here. But this remix is so good that the guys at Tosu Remix they just have so much good stuff. It's amazing. Alright. Yeah, so we do this and we do this without this. Alright, and we remove this. Let's check out in Unity that it is still working properly. Yeah, this looks perfectly. Oh, why? Okay. Actually, no screenshot. I haven't done it. Maybe I should add some screenshotting here or hitting this. But alright, let's get back to here then. So the second part is now. Well, adding parameters to this, so let's speed block, let's speed 1, load, movement, duration 1, right here, movement duration, let's speed 1, and we repeat this. Let's speed 2, duration shift 2, and we might get in here and add float. What do we call this? Second movement delay, maybe? Okay, but let's just 6.5 follow. Alright. Second time between, let's speed by the other. Low balance speed. Okay, wait between movements. Yeah. We don't need movement duration, which is going to be 0. And just attach but we need to attach some destructive values, like they're just going to hit the kill place and die. I need to do that. So, back here. But speed 2 and 0, and just keep going until you die. So we got this, alright. And we're going to be right here for 20 seconds, like I feel like 20 seconds should be good enough. And same movement speed, yeah. Actually half, maybe this is too much. And we'll repeat all this here below. Like this, yeah. And time to check how is it. Actually, we might go with 4 instead of 2. What's up? Okay. Just because it creates gaps that makes it easy to dodge. Yeah. And also, whenever the shield respawn, I think having this double wave is only going to happen this time because it's really hard to dodge, and if you are 3 minutes in, it's pain. Okay. Yeah, no, this isn't too bad. He says right as he's going to get hit. As he gets hit by a bullet. Ain't that wonderful? Okay, hold on. Between this, like this, and this. Alright, I feel like. What if we get the delay between arrows in here? And yeah, this is here. I'm thinking about maybe adding a new parameter. No, not necessarily, but changing the weight between movements so that it is bigger for arrows that have appeared later on, in order to have more space to dodge. But first of all, I want to test this. Actually, 6, 180, 60. Remove this, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one too many. 20, 180, 240, 300. Not 3,000. 300. Yeah. This is good. Let's get going. Okay. Doesn't look as good when it appears, but okay, and with that one, with it, we failed to dodge a second and die. Yay me! Second try. Dodge one, good. And dodge the... Yeah, it's collision with the wall. A bit harsh. It is a bit harsh indeed. I should just do what I'm doing here, which is... yeah, I know that one was bad. That was on me, 100%. Okay, get one of the balls and start shooting. Inner balls. Okay, get out. And now that we're here... Yeah, the problem with dodging back is that you dodge back in the other, yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up in this. It's a bit rough. Okay. Another one was on me. Look at the last few times I was dodging this pretty well. What's happening right now? I need to mess this up. Okay, here we go. And seriously, why am I choking so hard? This. So let's see, how can we do this? Like this, getting here, and now here. Alright. Yeah. And this isn't what I was looking for. Yeah. I've been this whole time in Visual Studio. Look at me. I'm doing it again. Oh. There's another stream where this happened. So let's say we have float, extra relay, no, extra weight between movements per spawn. Alright, it's gonna be 0.1 float. Okay, no, this is too much. 5, right, and we are going to have this is going back to now let's try like this here plus 0.05. No, this is the one here. 20. Also, let's just be 2, just for testing purposes. So that 20 was alright, but let's start with getting movements per time multiplied by I. Okay, so now we got this. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Everything's alright. Let's get going. So we do it like this, and yeah, but maybe some extra delay. Yeah. So 0.1 might be enough. I feel like right now there's not enough space between the arrows. This and here we go. Yeah, this looks a lot more like what I was going after. So now we got this. We got this. What? Why did you die? Oh, no, isn't that interesting? So I forgot to swap to Unity again. Yay! Bravo me. Well, let's go to Unity. I'll show you how it looks like now. Let's get going. So okay, this is how it looks now. If I don't die. Yeah, getting here, dodging here, and dodging here. How good. And now the problem is, if you look at this, we dodge. Well, basically, a few seconds after it closes, it dies because I parented this. Yeah, I parented this. I'm parenting the bullets, so that's fine. I shouldn't be doing so because when the bullets hit the kill planes on the outside of the stage, it kills the parent too. That's a problem. So I want to test this again. Okay, now they are parenting and we only have 2 streams instead of 1. So let's check this out. Let's do it like this. Oh, I forgot. And also, if we're gonna go to streams, let's do them like 70, 90 plus, okay, and divided by 2, alright. Let's get on. Let's get in here. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, that's something, right? I think we're going to end up using both of them. That is right. Yeah. So if we're going to do that, Visual Studio, int here, int number of arrow strings right, and float arrow string offset. Alright, so now what we can do is just get this number of arrow string, right, which means okay. Float offset per string, which equals 60 divided by number of arrow string. Alright, so that is 4 int I equals 0, I less than the number of I'm having trouble writing and I'm talking at the same time, and not IJ. Alright. Okay, so our stream offset, we're going to do this, and we're going to do our stream offset plus our stream offset plus J plus offset per string arrow per arrow string. Okay, so multiply. Okay. And we do this, we can remove this. So what we can do now is we add here, Fix the whole pipeline. And now we got here, and we have 2 and 90, and this should go back to work. Should work just as it was working a second ago. Right. Let's get this going. This is working well, very well. Yeah. Okay, actually I'm going to dodge it again to see how much how close I'm getting. Nah, this shouldn't hit the shield. I feel like maybe the speed is a bit slow. So what's the second speed? Okay, I just said... Yeah, I set them here, so maybe 4? Yeah, I need to turn that into a variable too. As of right now, the valid speed are constant, and yeah. So... Ooh, 4 snappy, but maybe a bit too hard for what I'm going for. Yeah. 3.35, right? Maybe. Actually, 3.32. Just a 10% increase. Well, 11%. Yeah. That is moving here. Here we go. Okay, here is one. Yeah. I like this. It doesn't feel as sluggish as before. Okay, so we got hit and we died. And I'm going to take a quick break. See you in a second. Alright, let's get back to it. So, where were we? We had this, we had set up this. Okay. So let's go. Extra movement. Okay, let's add this as a parameter. So bullet it one, bullet let's do this. So then you love it when you have function with enough parameters to stop a train. Alright, so let's speed one. Actually, give me a second. Here we go. And now we can paste it in here too and remove the flow. Remove. And let's add another tabulation and another. Actually, you need less. Aquí. Yeah. Move a bit here. With it. And now that we got this, we go back up here, and we do. Yeah, we need to do add this to load. Struggle with the movements per spawn. Alright, add this in here, add this in here, and this in here. Alright, so we take this and this is gonna be 90. Okay, that's gonna be 6 and 5 float, 2 and 1 float, and 3 float. Alright, and now these are all parameters of the function, and we just have to finish the basic thing here. And duration 1. Alright. So let's see how this goes. Where do we go from here? Because that's the hard part. Well, I still have to add to make the AI recreate the shields whenever the boss gets hard. Gotta think a bit about it. Alright, let's move back to Unity and replace this 2 by 20. Okay. Alright. Let's get going. Here we go. In some way. I'm not sure. Oh, delay between arrows. Did I... No, what? What did I miss? Probably the numbers. Between arrows. What happened? Why is this happening now? Like, why isn't it? It feels as if repeat. Okay, pass. Let's check this out. Alright. That's a lot of new game objects that are appearing for no reason. Okay, so we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, I know the problem. Yeah. I messed up the arrow string parts. So let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What? 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 No. Number of arrow strings. Oh yeah. Yes, so I just realized really dumb stuff. So basically what I did was create temporary shield. Instead of swapping the delay to 20, I swapped instead of changing the delay from 2 to 20, I changed the number of streams from 2 to 20. Yeah. Don't know. Okay, back to here. Yep, this is what we're looking for. Okay, wait for it. No. Important to dodge, very important. You gotta dodge. You can't beat this if you don't dodge. So we dodge in and then dodge out again, and now it starts shooting like this, and we can do this, and we can do this, and we're done. Alright. So next thing is adding some proper attack patterns. So what attack patterns could I... there's one I know I want, which is having the shields move maybe outside and inside. Right, let me explain what I want to design. So in the last boss, if you kill a part of the boss, if you destroy a part of the boss, that would make its attacks weaker. So maybe so if you focused on certain parts, you could make the worst parts of certain attacks easier to beat. But in this boss, that's gonna be a bit harder. But that's going to be a bit harder because the shield have a lot more parts, and if I was to do the attacks based on the number of shields, like I feel like I'd have to divide it to make attacks that are worth 12 items, and then stuff would get a bit out of hand. Yeah. So yeah, I don't want to make every single attack dependent on the number of shields, but I still I still want to have a bit of that, a bit of depending on the number of shields alive, the attacks may hurt more or less. So yeah, we're okay since winter time. How are we going to handle this? I was thinking maybe an attack of was the circles expanding back out again, but like just from how hard to dodge this initial attack is, I feel like that yeah, I feel like it is too much. Okay, here and here we go. And then we dodge. And then we dodge. So maybe. Hey, what if we made an attack that was that one is spawning from the circles? I'm not sure. No, that's gonna be another mess of pallets. Yeah, like this is. If anyone was to watch this, like this would be a pretty boring part. Like this is probably the what pattern to do. Like this is where you can get creative block and just spend far too much time thinking about what to do. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the second stage and let's look and remember what stages we had in here. So and maybe purify some of the patterns used around here in order to maybe we want blockers at the end, or nah, I don't think. This hey, this is maybe one I could consider, like stopping the rotation and doing one of these attacks. Maybe? Yeah, like that's probably an option, but yeah, on the other side this attack was a bit of a pain to set up. But yeah. Thinking is required. Maybe one of these. Kind of a shame that the center is already really massive. We can just send the ballots through the center in order to make a meal there. Yeah, I'm not confident. Like, yeah, the problem is just as I was saying, like, too many circles. Too many circles in here. We have 12 circles, and the second we start having more than one palette per circle, it's just gonna get very out of hand very quickly. Here, okay, here, alright, one shot. So let's get in here. Alright. Ideas. Actually, like just 3 bullets through each of them. Like, yeah, that's. I think that could work. I think that could work very well. But yeah, 35 bullets, like just a small barrage. Kind of easy to dodge, but yeah. I like the idea. Though I feel like maybe not. Alright. Oh. Okay, so how do we handle this? Temporary shield arrow routine. How do we? Let me check this studio thing. So let's create one of this. Yeah, we could use the temporary shield arrow routine again with a change in bullet speed and movement direction in order to set them back, maybe. Yeah, like maybe. Yeah. Like think about it. We get in here and we set up one bullet. We set up three waves of bullets. Give some time to the players so that he can be. The only problem is that there isn't that much space to set them up. Yeah, gotta think about it. So we're here. Operation Arrow. How would we do this? So So main problem right now is how do we set this up in a way? Yeah, so we have temporary shields. We require a list of the star shields. Okay, we need to save each one of the shields when they are created, which I should have done already. I don't know why I haven't. Well, I haven't because I don't need it, so I don't need it yet. Yeah. So we'll do that. We got the shields, and now per shield. We are gonna get per each shield. We're going to spam the bullet in the shield. We are going to spam to calculate the direction based on the position of the shield minus position, the vector between the center and the shield, and that's gonna be the direction of the bullet, and a couple more bullets upside to the side, and we do that, and then we will. Yeah, that sounds very small. Yeah. Alright. So I'm going to have a quick break and I'll be back. Alright, we're back. So let's, well, first of all, let's pause it, stop this, and let's get to business. So back. Narrator attack. Sorry. Attack. What do we call this attack? Attack. Rich. Shields. So actually, well, at the year return now, yeah. First of all, well, we need a list. An object. Star shields. Star shield list. Okay, equals new list an object. Okay. So how do we check that clear the game objects from the list when they are destroyed? How can we do this? Yeah. Actually, I think we could just give me a second. Clips, self handler, basic handler. Yeah. So we could just subscribe to the observer and get the help. Yeah. Alright. Maybe. How do we clean this? Though all things considered, yeah. Yeah, like the ideal would be having a notify. So I think we had a notify in here, didn't I? No, yes, maybe. Like this, maybe. No, so it's in here. Oh, how do we do this? But then pin this. Actually, pin this. We're going to be using this to allow keep them visible, at least for the week, the next week. This is difficult. Star shield is so. Do we use notify? The problem is that the notify is on health, not on destruction. So destruction, notify and destruction. Yeah, like the ideal thing would be to observable interface. Yeah, okay, 100 player. So if no, not player, help basic handler. Okay, so also I just noticed I noticed something pretty bad with help basic handler in that it notifies. It doesn't notify if you if health hits less than 0, it doesn't notify. That can be troublesome and not so troublesome. Yeah, basically the problem here is that I might need to take another look at this, because basically what can happen here is that health hits less than 0 and it is destroyed, and at the end it doesn't notify any. And when that happens, in that instant of damage, it doesn't notify anyone because it is destroyed before we get to the notification line. But problem here is that, how do I put it? The problem is, well, as we are right now, it doesn't matter because I've only used the notify in order to trigger the damage animations, and if it is destroyed, it doesn't matter. But if I had an effect that happens every time you get hit, then that last one, like imagine I added a weapon that gives you experience whenever you get hit, whenever you hit an enemy. Well, that last hit wouldn't give you experience. I'm gonna have to solve this not now but later. Yeah, as it is right now, I'm going to have to deal with it. So yeah, how do we know whether an object is destroyed or not? Find distraction, maybe. Okay, let's do one thing, which is here. Temporary, no, this temporary shield. Here, dot add star shield. Okay. Yeah, let's worry about that later. Like, okay, actually, unity check list clean list on destroy. Okay. Let's see if Stack Overflow or the Unity have the solution to problem. Yes, it then. Yes, it was items to remove. Okay, the next one is the reference. How do we handle this? Items that remove new list. Yeah. So, Good thing I don't have any audience because they'd be living in droves if they had to wander midway. All the silence. You have to remove this empty entry, but calling items removed. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we're gonna just... I feel like the best way to handle this is going to be to, whenever we have to check the items in the list, which shouldn't be too much, like a couple of attacks, we just iterate through the list, and if the list has a if we find null items, we remove them before actually doing what we have to do. So, void clean partial list and parentheses, and we are going to for in. Okay, first of all we create for each calling up for list int to remove equals new list. Alright, now for int I equals 0, I less than star shield list dot size. It was count, wasn't it? Count I plus plus. Alright, so now it's star shield list at I equals no. Let's turn this into an if then to remove dot add I. Alright, and once we're done, for repeat this but with instead we use to remove, and we do partial list dot remove add to remove I. Alright, we just check it again to make sure we haven't messed this up. So to remove, we test we check which ones do maybe that's actually to remove equals to remove -1, and well this equals 0 I minus, because if we remove, basically if let's say we have items 0, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and 2 and 4 are null, so we start removing them, and we remove 2 first. Well, it turned out that the list is now like this, and there's no number 4 and it messes things up, and also number 3 would be null. They're like, yeah, it's a bit of a problem, so you have to maybe do like this. Wait, give me a second. Yeah, like at this point, maybe a linked list would be better. Like, does say sharp have list linked by default? That's a linked list class. Yeah, no, the problem is going to still be removing items in the... Yeah, like... I don't feel really comfortable with this implementation anyway still. Like... The list clear at C#. Like it just gives me the feeling that something it's going to mess things up in some way. So no, not clear. Okay, move back. Let me check the implementation, the reference, but I'm So where is the remove it? Okay, remove 3. So remove 1, 3, 4. Where's the remove 1, 3, 4? What's this? So parts are okay. Yeah, it's the same person actually. Unfortunately, it doesn't show the example I wanted. So cassette, reclame. That's it. We'll just skip this and try to see where it goes, but yeah. It is problematic, like it's gonna be a problem, I think. Or maybe it is, and I need to join work as well, but yeah. So we got this. So we can get finally to Barrett. So we do int number of barrels per barrage. Alright. No need for delay. Delay between arrows. We need that. Number of arrow streams, no need. Arrow stream of set, no need. Bullet speed, okay. We need this whole shebang. And I'm gonna get in here. Okay, so now that we're here, we do for each. No, actually, first of all, we call this. And now that we've called this, we do for each game object G in star list. We are going to call the create temporary shell routine. Right here. Here we go. Okay, temporary shell. We don't need the offsets. Okay. Bullet speed, movement direction, weight between movement, extra weight between movements per pound. We need that. Okay, so int I equals 0, I less the number of arrows per barrage, I plus plus, and we open this, and then we open this. All right, this worked well. But speed wire what? Why are you giving trouble right now? Speed to, yeah, like why are you? Okay, we have, oh, there is wire rotation. Yeah. Okay, it's fixed. Quaternion rotation, right? And then we got quaternion particular, yeah, this. So this is like this, and we close this, and then we got it here, and that is 0, and we close this. This is working properly, I think. Didn't see that. We are doing quaternion rotation. Oh yeah, I need to remove this. Remove this. Okay, this in here. There we go. And then we have here the rotation. All right, that's fixed. Independent. So the rotation is going to be, and we need also a vector of 3 position. This is going to be position, and we're going to take this, and we're going to do this like, all right. So now that we're at this point, okay, we take the position, the transform the position, g dot transform dot rotation. Okay, so we, oh no, we cannot pay transform for the dot rotation. It's got it. Okay. Quaternion dot look, no, here, look at, yeah, no, look rotation, yeah, and the vector is going to be g transform rotation minus, well, yeah, no, dot position minus game object dot transform dot position. Actually, since this is, can't we do this? I think, yeah, error. And once we do this, vector is going to be new vector 3 0 1 0. I think, yeah. Is this a vector 0? Yeah. When I think about it, it might be Yeah, no, it is the app we need. And then we add valid speed. Okay, so what's the problem here? Oh, there. Now we have a not 7 album. Oh yeah, not here. Here. All right. So now that we're at this point, we just need to call the attack. So what we're going to do is commentate these 2 lines. We're going to what is it? What's the line I'm looking for here? We are going to wait here 22 seconds, and then we are going to do the attack. Okay, so oh yeah, important. Wait for seconds, the delay between arrows. So we're going to create an arrow in for each one of. No, not here, not here. Here. Yeah. Wrong loop. So okay, no. Now that we are at that point, we are like. So we're going to call it. Yeah, all right. Where's start car routine? Get this in here. Now we take a barrage from shields. We do this, all right. Now we have number of arrows per barrage, delay between arrows, which is going to be 3. Delay between arrows is going to be 0.5. Yeah, like here. What did I have delay between arrows? Okay, delay between arrows, yeah, 0.5 it was. And we can remove all this, and then here, and we're going to. This is just copy paste, wasn't it? Yeah, like 0.5, 20. This is just to make sure. Bullet speed 1, movement direction 1, weight between movement, yeah, those are the same parameters. So what are we missing here? Okay, yeah. So I didn't forget to switch to Unity, yay! Let's take a shot at this. It's gonna be the cleaning that's going to make a mess, isn't it? So we're waiting here. Sec. Okay, we're in here. Go. Wait here, wait for a moment. 1 and 2. And now we wait and see where the deck goes. I should have started the countdown. Look, rotation viewing vector is 0. What? Console is saying. Look, rotation viewing vector is 0. Yeah. So you're telling me. Yeah, Yep, yeah. I just realized the mistake. Thankfully, it's an easy fix. Basically, you're here to start shield, and this is 0. These are the ones that actually have a bit of an offset. So g dot transform dot find *1. Alright, and we need this also in here, and actually we're going to use the index. At this point I don't think we are going to talk to touch that prefab as it is. It could mess up too many things. Because find is fairly performance intensive. Okay, second try. Okay, and I got hit. Gaming. Here we go, and we go here. Here we go, and okay, I got the direction wrong. I 100% got the direction wrong. I also forgot to reduce the time. Yeah, so let's wait for... Oh yeah, I have to wait another 20 seconds to see this. Oh, yeah. Well, looks alright. So we just have to... this time I forgot to swap unity. Damn me. Okay, so this, we're going to add this to 2, maybe. We need to swap the vectors. Okay, so this is a plus, this is a minus. Listen. Actually, it's not the slack moving around. Otherwise, it's going to be a headache. So we are here, and what else do we need? The chamber. Oh yeah, the time at the time. So 0.1. No, not 0.1. That wasn't like it goes backward. Yeah, no, that's it. 21. The time climb, isn't it? The moment duration 1, yeah. So let's give it a try. Let's get going. And swap to Unity, don't forget this time. Yeah. Basically what happened before is that the arrows went toward the center and outside, which is the object. So outside, done. 0.1 is too little. 0.3. Right. Get out. Get out. Yeah. Actually, what if we... Not 3 ballots. 6. No, 5. No, 6. Those 6 is probably a bit too much, but bad. Yeah, I just really like how it looks. So let us say 6, but yeah, I think 6 is going to be too much. But let's make it sleep. Okay, and maybe more. I should increase the amount of space in between the arrows. Okay, get out. Yeah, this is fine. Far too much. Yeah, and since they are offset, I can't believe I dodged that. I was able to dodge that. Like, or let us check how far looks. But I think 3 was the sweetest spot right there. So let's keep going. Also gonna be in the stream right after her. Once I got the attack. Oh, I want it. So we get out, and then we get out again, and we close, and we wait until it does this. Yeah. Yeah, 4 is right. 4 is alright. I think 4 is in the mount. Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry. So okay, outside. And here. So we got this. Yeah, this. It's not maybe 3. I think I'm going to roll with 3, just because I'm not sure which one looks better, but 3 is definitely easier. I feel like 4 may end a bit of a pain. Like, I want this double circle here at the start, I want this to be the hardest thing in the entire boss. Everything else must be easier than that. Let's see. Yeah, like, we're going to with 3. Well, yeah, we got a lot of work done today, I think. So I'm going to be ending the stream right here, and I'm probably gonna be streaming. I'm going to try, I can't promise anything, but I'm going to try and stream every day the next week, because otherwise I want to try and to get the boss done in a single week to keep up with the to keep up with the weekly updates, because otherwise we do the boss and then we have to spend time to making the new level select UI, which also takes a week or 2, and then it's going to be like a month without us of really slow updates. Well, that would actually matter if I actually had more players, but let's be honest, I have the amount of players that play this game is in this. I don't think, like, how many players. Let's check the Steam start, but nobody's playing this. Let's see. Daily active users 1, average past 7 days. Isn't that wonderful? Maybe one day I'll race. I managed to get my head up on there. Also, oh, I got a bunch of push lists today. Nice. So yeah. So yeah, and then this stream here. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll try to stream tomorrow. So yeah.